Submitter Delegate functionality. Welcome to the training video on the Submitter Delegate functionality for the Nebraska Prescription Drug Monitoring Program, or PDMP. In this video, we'll guide you through the role and responsibilities of a Submitter Delegate and how to properly manage your pharmacy submissions in the PDMP system. The PDMP is a critical tool used to track the dispensing of prescription medications. Physicians, pharmacists, and other healthcare providers rely on this system to monitor patients' active prescriptions and medication history to improve patient safety and identify potential misuse. As a Submitter Delegate, your role is to assist your facility's submitter by managing prescription dispensation information on their behalf. You will work under the supervision of a registered PDMP submitter. Your responsibilities as a Submitter Delegate include accurately correcting prescription dispense information in the system, ensuring patient data confidentiality, and adhering to Nebraska PDMP regulations. While you can correct data, remember that the pharmacy or pharmacist in charge remains accountable for all information entered. To become a Submitter Delegate, you must first receive authorization from a registered submitter. This involves registering with the PDMP system and linking your account to their profile. Step 1. Create a PDMP account with the role type of submitter, dispenser, or dispenser delegate. Step 2. After logging in, click on Manage Pharmacies. Step 3. Select Add New Pharmacy and search for your pharmacy. Step 4. Change the role request to Submitter Delegate to have authorization to correct PDMP errors, or Store Admin to have authorization to correct PDMP errors and the ability to add additional delegates. Step 5. A Store Admin, often the submitter, will need to log in and approve the relationship in their Manage Pharmacies tab. Step 6. Once approved, a Dispenser Correction tab will appear on your account. Clicking on this tab will allow you to view PDMP dispenses that were submitted but had errors. Step 7. Clicking on the Dispenses button will pull up the errors associated with the file. Step 8. Resolve and submit the errors to correct those submissions to the PDMP and bring the pharmacy into regulatory compliance. Once your account is active, log into the PDMP system. From the dashboard, you'll have access to the following functionalities: View submission history, update or modify existing error dispenses. Let's take a closer look at each function. To correct a prescription error, navigate to the Dispense Correction tab. You'll be able to see a list of submissions to the PDMP that contain errors. Clicking on the Dispenses button will bring up information about the error and a field to submit a correction to the prescription. Resolving these errors within the PDMP saves the pharmacy time and eliminates having to correct the error at the pharmacy, then rerunning the report to submit. After submitting a prescription, it is stored in the system and linked to the patient's profile. Should there be any need to make corrections, the dispense will appear in the Dispense Correction tab. It is possible to submit a correction with invalid information and have the correction need to be corrected again. The Nebraska PDMP Submitter Guide is a good reference when correcting these errors to ensure you are inputting the correct information into the field. As an individual with access to the PDMP and other patient health information, it's crucial to maintain the confidentiality of patient records. Only authorized personnel should have access to prescription information, and all data should be handled with care to comply with HIPAA and all federal and state privacy regulations. Always log out of the PDMP system when you are finished and do not share your login credentials with anyone else. This prevents unauthorized access to sensitive patient data and ensures the security of the system. To recap, as a submitter delegate, you support your company and the submitter by correcting prescription data into the PDMP. Always ensure the accuracy and confidentiality of the information you handle. Work closely with your supervising submitter to ensure compliance with all state and federal regulations. Thank you for completing this training. For more information, contact the PDMP Help Desk at pdmp@synchealth.org or 402-506-9900 extension 1. You can also access additional training videos on the Nebraska DHHS website. Together, we can help ensure safe and responsible treatment of Nebraska citizens. Thank you for watching.